Everyone, this is our Tianxun's factories. We are the Tianxun as the most professional metal detector manufacturers in China. Everyone wants to say they are factories, but how to prove? Today, Lily will show you really the factories and how to work. Here, this is our packing scenario. You can see here a lot of the workers. They are packing our machine. Here, let's go. The first step, the workers to foldable the box to buy worker. Another with the machine. This machine can be packed with the special size. In this machine, the box can be foldable directly. There's no need the worker. Here, after foldable, the machines will be here. All of the machine after finished produced, you will be waiting here. This is our QC to check the machine after the finish. Then the machines can be the packing. Here is our Tianxun's brand. Here is with our Tianxun metal detectors. This is our box. After check the quality, no problem. Then the workers will give the head with the plastic bag with the warning that can protect the machine. The next step, they will put the power under the battery and other accessories. Finish it. Then after finishing, they will put a menu. Now, here from this here, ready with the automatic machine. In this first, workers will put the books into the carton. Okay, now this machine is automatic to foldable. Let's finish. This is the machines will be come to the inspection area. This in here is our QC will check. Of the machine will be inspected before. Okay. We will check how to accessible this machine. We will be received the inspection as the 13%. That's like 100 pieces. Will be check 13 pieces, 3 pieces. Will be install battery. To test every button. Now to test the headphone. Voice, no voice. QC to check the where, then where this the product will be go to. Here, let me check. Here, this is the area is finished product area of the finished machine. After pack the where and check the where, the machine will waiting here. Yeah, let's go. This is the warehouse for the finished products. All of the product is the metal detectors. Here, all of the outer cartons with metal detectors. This is our standard books. Here, check. And this with our standards, the books without any other brand. Also, we also can do the OEM brand, such this area with our customer's brand. Here, if you like, you also can do your brand. Here is area. You can see lots of the company's information about the warehouse and the packing line. If you want to know more about our company, about the metal detectors, the information, and please subscribe me and write me. Any need you want to know, please contact with me. Thank you. Bye bye.